Alright, let's learn how to. Here I'm going to be showing you how to make a freestyle background using PicsArt to remove your background, how to edit using PicsArt. So first of all, go to your Play Store here, download your PicsArt and open it. You can install on your phone. Sorry, I clicked my Play Store. Now you can install it on your phone and then open your PicsArt. It's going to take time to run this feedback here. It's going to take time to load it. Now there are some cool stuff you can do with PicsArt, like sketch, like this type of drawing. So first we'll be learning how to do something like this, editing it with a kind of freestyle background. So let's get started. Now you click on your edit here, or you click on your plus here. So whichever way you want to use is a choice. So let me use edit. Now edit is still going to come back to this spot. Alright, so I'll click my recent just to go to my folder. Okay, it's pretty cool. I can just choose any image from here because I still want to. I'll be going to my edit. I'll be going to select a background. That's exactly what I want to do. So after removing your background, you can remove your background, clear your background, and move forward straight to clicking on PicsArt, just like my last video, how to remove your background. So now from here you click your square feet, and once it's opened, now your square feet, you can actually use this PicsArt to do square feet. And just because of the background, I'm selecting the background. I'm using this one now. So we'll hide this image here. We'll hide it and we'll press OK. And we'll go straight to text. Click on your text and you wait for it. Once the text is open, you can download all these. All these are all shown here is because my data is on. So you click on your text. You can type anything at all, anything like and just to get into the background board. So then you remove it. Now this plus here is where you can get your, click on your plus, you can actually input text and do some other call outs, lens flare, clip art, add photo. So we'll be using add photo. Alright, and let me go to my album, my folders. You have to click on your recents and scroll down to where you have those images. Eraser, scroll straight down to your eraser and select the one you want to use. Select the one you want to use. You're free to use it. Alright, add. Click on your add. That's at the top there. So you can actually add another image which you want to use as your background. Any image at all you want to use as your background. So from here now, let's get started using this place. Alright, so these are the images I'll be using. Now right from here you can increase this one, just make it the way you want it to look. Increase, then your opacity you can reduce it, and I will stop at 25. Okay, use this one too and switch it. This one is switching, and I can switch it anywhere I want to. So then you increase it too. You increase, and you can adjust too if you want to. Then you take back to let the both of them be at the same place, 25. Alright, then you click the middle one. It's very okay. Now we are the middle one here. The middle one. So you can actually switch the sides if you want to. let me switch it. Alright, let's switching take place. Click on the bottom so you can tap on it, then switch. Alright, gotten my switch. So you can adjust it the way you want, just to your own taste. Alright, click on here and switch it as well. Switch it and take that there where you want it to look like, and then drop it. So that's it, we've gotten what we wanted. So then from here now, if you want to add anything, your lens, click on your lens. Now why mine will display open like this is because my data is on. I can use any lens I want to, and use any lens at all. Let me use this one, any lens I want to use. So you don't need to download, then you take it off. If you want to, it's left for you. Take it down, it's left for you. So I want to keep it at the middle and increase the lens more, and then tap on this image. Now they're all outside, and here we go. Now you can type whatever you want to type. You've gotten your image, your background, how you want it to look like. Then you can type whatever you want to type on your screen. You can use your clip arts, then you can do some freestyle too you want to use. Now because my data is on, most of all those things is going open. The more I use it, the more it's being used, as in they will be open offline. I can use them offline just because I keep using it. So it all depends on what you want to do. Really depends on what you want to do. Let me make it looks like okay. I'll use light so that it will blend together with the screen. Blend together with my screen. Alright. And make sure everything is being at the board. So you click on it again, then maybe if you want to add some kind of flash lens, make it wowing and all those kind of things. Click on your flash lens again. You can actually add some style of flash lens depending on what you want to do. Add styles and increase the flash lens. If you want them to be in background, you can still do the same thing, but I won't be using this flash lens. I will remove it. So now you go straight and then you add your clipboard, anything you want to use, just like I used that butterfly there. Anything you want to use. I would like to make a logo. Let's look for a logo. I can also teach you how to create a logo yourself. Maybe you can use this one here to make your own permanent logo. Anytime you want to edit for someone, you can use those things as your logo. So it all depends on you. So let's wait for this to open. I've not actually used any of these. Now it opened because my that is on, or my Wi-Fi is connected. So you'll be choosing anything you want to use, any at all. Okay, let me see if I can get something from pattern. Alright, let me use something from pattern and okay, pattern. I'll use something to create a logo for myself. That is a personal logo for myself. So maybe I want to be using this always anytime I edit as a logo for myself. So wait for it and it pops up. You bring it downward. You can actually adjust taking it downward too. So you can leave it, and I would like to make a signature of it too. Go to your text, click on your text. This is my own type of signature. Once your text comes up, you select what you'll be using as a signature. I'll be using this one as a signature, and come back to my text and type my own signature. Okay, on it, like using my text. Alright. Now that's my own signature I will be using. I want to change this color to white so everything all match. Alright, now you can reduce it and take it there, come to your and reduce it more. I'm using 66 or okay 65. Now it's all matched together. I'll still go back to my text, type in something again in my text, because I want my signature not to look pretty easy. Let it be a little bit difficult for someone that can set my text. So now my signature. So from there I can type something again. Okay. So and I will still reduce it back to 50. Alright, reduce it more to 60. Okay. Sometimes this is exactly what happens while doing this edit. You reduce it more. So keeping this at the exact spot where I want it to be. Then you reduce back to 60. That was what I used last, so I can leave it at 63 and set this normally. Now I have something below there. So now I can still go back to my text. Now I want to type anything I want again, anything at all I want to display. I will be using some different kind of texture and type. I will type this with some keyboard. Alright. Okay. Alright. So okay. This is I've done typing. I can now be at the middle. I used my enter button to go down to get all these keys here. So all these text here. Okay. And alright. Then now you can choose your color, whatever color you want to use. I'll be using yellow and red. This red here. Okay, yellow and red. And use your OK. Now you can take it to anywhere you want, anywhere or you want to drop it. You can take it there and adjust. Alright, you can also reduce it if you want to make it at the background, or you can leave it at full. So this is exactly what I meant. Now you've gotten a good background. You can now use your OK button. You OK it, and here you go. You have a very nice image. Now if you want to use a GIF file, you can also use GIF file. If you know what GIF file means, let me just click on it so that you can see. Now it will come back, it will just be changing, just be picking images, the images I used one by one. That is GIF file. So I will not be saving it like this. I'll go back and I'll use this arrow here to save, then click on my gallery, and that's all. So you can call it a day. Then you'll be watching our next video. My next video, I'll be showing you how to remove the background using PicsArt. If you want to finish, use now from here you can use your PNG or JPEG, anyone, then you can save and using JPEG. So now from here you can do whatever you want. If you now you've saved your normal picture, you can go back to GIF and save it to using this button here. So let's call it a day.